Yo, what's up, y'all? Most of y'all know what time of year it is again, almost. If you answered hunting season is what I'm talking about, you are correct. Today, I'm very lucky to have this quite beautiful and astonishing gun here with us. Yeah, I'm using big vocabulary words, just so you know this thing's got me excited. Let me set it down. Let me go to the other side. This is a 22 Win Mag. Well, it's not loaded right now. Winchester, model 9422, I believe. It's very pretty. Beautiful gun. I like it. We're probably about to shoot it. I'm gonna set up some targets, see what this thing can do. You cannot shoot deer with this in Georgia. Kind of a bummer. But it's a pretty gun to shoot in general. So yeah. That part right there is our target. I got it set up about 60 yards. It would be my guess from where I'm shooting it. The reason I'm only doing 60 is because I don't even know if this is sighting in. My dad told me it'll shoot pretty far, so be careful. He said it's basically just as powerful as another rifle. Just a little bit less, so he told me to be careful. I am going to be propping up on Alien's four-wheeler seat. I will freehand a couple. Probably going to miss like that, though. If I'm going to be honest with y'all. But I'm using her four-wheeler just so I don't scratch at the gun. Let me sit it down and slide the four-wheeler over. We don't really have the best angle in the part from here, so I gotta prop the camera up pretty good. Make sure y'all can see it. There it is on out there. Give me a minute. I gotta find the best camera prop. Alright, y'all, this is probably the best camera angle we're gonna get. Unfortunately, so we're gonna have to deal with it. First shot. I might freehand it, but I doubt it. Alright, the gun is loaded. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is a lever action. It'd be so embarrassing if I missed this first shot. I'm definitely going to blame it on the gun, not the inside of the action. It's pretty loud, I will say. We'll go check it for holes in a minute. I might have missed. I did squeeze the mess out of the trigger like a fool. It's been a minute since I've shot a rifle. That's my excuse. Alright. Let's put another round in here. Oh, I love reloading this thing. Such a satisfying sound. I definitely smoked it that time. Alright, we're gonna freehand this one. I feel like a cowboy with this gun right here. If y'all watch Hickok, y'all know what he says when he shoots pots. He says we're about to smoke some pot, and that's what we're about to do. Free-handed, son. No clue if I hit it. That was free-handed. This gun is pretty loud, but I'm under a shelter. Alright. About midway through the magazine, I think I put maybe 6 or 7 in here, possibly 8, but that was 3 shots, so we're gonna go check it. You know how embarrassed I'm gonna be if I didn't hit him. Like honestly, I made sure I have gun safety in the gun. It's not facing anywhere where we're gonna be walking. I got the hunter safety license, trust me. I get my learners in like a month and 10 days. Well, no, never mind, that was last week. It's about a month and 5 days. No, it's 4 days now. I honestly don't know if I hit it, y'all. Alright, we hit it. See 2 bullet holes. Might have missed the free-handed shot. Alright, let's look. There's 2 bullet holes right there. You can tell it's a bullet hole because it's kind of hot. And right there. Let's see about the exit holes. Yep. Oh, I hit it right here. See? So I did hit my free-handed shot. It just wasn't where I was aiming. Because I was aiming center mass. I always knew I could be a military sniper. I always knew it. This gun is definitely very pretty. I gotta take it back to my gran. Because it was my grandpa's. She told me I could make a video on it. I offered her $400 cash because I figured I might be able to lowball her a little bit. That might have been, I don't know how much this gun goes for. I just really liked it, but she declined. So, her loss, I reckon. All right. Zoom this joker back in. Get ready for another shot. I needed to practice with rifle for hunting season anyways. Check that too. Alright, we're loaded and ready to go. How do I want to shoot this one? I'm a freehand in front of the camera. Out here. Feeling confident. It's definitely sighted in. I probably just missed that one. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Couldn't get control of my breath good. I ain't breathing. Make sure the pot's still in frame. Is it? Alright. We're going for another prop up shot. That was low corner, would be my guess. Another prop up shot, I reckon. Just cause I can only see the top of this, so I'm kind of guessing. I knocked that one back, so I know I see the top. And that is the magazine, y'all. Beautiful gun. See, let me zoom the camera out. Yeah. Still in my school clothes, so don't make fun of the drip. Alright. I'm a little bit sweaty just because I've been outside for a minute, but this is the gun. See? River action. Let me unload it. Very pretty gun. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It has a lot of meaning to me also because it's my grandpa's. But let's go check the pot one more time. And then I guess we'll call this a video. I hope y'all missed the gun videos. Figured I'd change it up. Comment down below a gun y'all would like to see that I may have. Just comment down below a review on. I doubt I can't do many pistols because my dad has a couple of them, but he don't let me use them because only pistol I can use is a 22 pistol. Because he doesn't like when I use pistols for some reason. He just lets me use like my rifles and shotguns when I go hunting. But you don't really need a pistol to hunt in my opinion. Dang, I got that joker good one time in the top. Look at how it went through. Right in there. Skimmed the head of it. Well, I need to take this pot back. We smoked it a good bit. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos, let me know because I'm willing to make more. Peace out.